a notch here and a notch here. These are where you're going to make your gathering stick. Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Alethea, and this is Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. Yay! So here is the Vogue Fabric Spring 2024 catalog. This is the second catalog I've received so far. And it says spring forward. It's time to set your wardrobe ahead with our incredible fabric collections. Order early. These are sure to go very fast. So let's take a look at some of the fabric they have to offer. First off, they are offering this particular pattern, formula scarlet, red suede face, scuba knit. That's a nice plaid. And let me put out the swatches so you can see how they're looking. These are the swatches. This is your scuba knit. That knit is sort of thick. This is the reverse side. And they're showing it with a jacket, made out of a jacket. And this is your formula couture. It says it's supply soft yarn woven hand tooth plaid. Kind of thick, no stretch. Let's move on. And by the way, the collection or subscription to Vogue fabric comes with the catalog, as you can see, and they have a picture of the swatch or fabric that the pattern is made of. Then they have packaged all of the swatches that go with everything that they're revealing in this book. And they come in little bags like this, and each one is numbered and labeled. This is the stack that those two swatches came in. And then you have this one. Next, this swatch. And these. Let's just take a look through the catalog. This is lace. And it's the new look pattern 6216. And that's called the Formula Riviera Red Ribbon Lace Mesh. I think this catalog and these swatches that come along with it, as well as the mood swatches, will teach you a lot about fabric and textures and the feels of them. When you get the swatches, you can actually feel how the fabric feels. That's interesting. This is a closet core, Janet overall. And it's made out of this brown stretch cotton satin. Vegan leather. And here's a break for Sew Light. And they're offering some scissors. And here you see the various prices and descriptions and size. This is a Sew Light LED light that you can order from the company. So they have offers of different things. It makes your machine lights up your sewing area. I'm thinking about getting that. Moving on. And this is a new look pattern. $6566. It's a tunic. And it's made out of this chambray. That's a peel. That's nice. Closet core. And dark sage green cotton poplar. Nice. And her top is the new look pattern. Easy, 6891. And look at the options. And these pants are new look, 6625. And this is bright. Speed vapor. Trying to focus it. Pale core cotton micro tweed twill. Cold wash, dry low. $8.99 a yard. That's pretty. I like those pants. And look at the yellow. I'm gonna find these and be right back. So here you have the Speed Peach, which is very pretty. It's a micro twill. No stretch at all. And here is the Speed Vapor. It's a shellless. Kind of thin and drapey compared to the twill. It's a little heavier than the shellless. Here is your Sunshine Yellow, which her skirt is made out of, and it's a shellless. Shallots are lightweight, kind of flowy, good, and you can cold wash it and dry it or dry clean. Here is the lacy. It's supposed to be stretch, a little stretch. Yeah, it stretches. Wash in cold water and dry. It comes in 58-inch wide and 95% polyester, 5% spandex, which is your stretch. You can wash in cold water, dry low, or dry clean. Okay, this is the skirt, and the swatch is her top. Okay, so here are some pattern inspirations. And makes. Here's more of their collection. Fabrics. Beautiful colors. Got a cotton broadcloth. Or shirting. And this is a sweater knit. I really like this. Can't really see what that pattern here is. Same one. Serena pattern. That's nice. Here are the swatches. These are beautiful. The cellos. This is a tangerine cotton broadcloth. Beautiful. These are knits. This is a scooper, crepe scooper, and it's made out of jacket. Cotton poplin. Nice, beautiful colors. Beautiful green shells, blue, green, white. These are nice. Nice colors. It's a twill print. And here Nice pattern selection, as well as the fabrics pairing. Nice blues. Surrender patterns with the drawstring. This is a rayon jersey, and what is that, pinstripe cotton and linen blend. That should be nice. Even the rayon jersey. Closet core overalls. Beautiful. I think this book offers a lot for those who are trying to learn their fabrics. They can get the swatches in hand and check them out and see how they feel, how they drape and pair them with your patterns, so your garment will flow the way that you want it to flow and move. So, thank you for watching. Sweet inspirations to all. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave inspirational comments. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.